Hi everybody, this is Elena, the CEO of My Magic Formula. For the ones who don't know about this, let me tell you a little bit. It started as a big dream of mine 1.5 years ago, maybe before. So the dream was to provide effective language services to students and to English teachers around the world. So how did we start? We started talking to friends of friends. We started to discover that teachers needed some safe space to practice because many of them had been teaching for maybe 20 years, 25 years, and they thought that their English was kind of stuck because they were always talking to kids or because they didn't really feel like they were having adult conversations. They were not updating their English enough. And at the moment of facing a situation with other adults, they would feel like, wait a minute, I speak English, what's wrong? Why can't I express myself? Maybe because they talk to kids all the time. So we opened the English Club in August. We started with a VIP group and they continue. They meet every Tuesday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. Colombian time. The second strategy is with students. We're doing something similar to the Teachers Club, led by different teachers according to their level. They talk about different topics. They practice their vocabulary, pronunciation, intonation, and more importantly, they develop confidence, which is what most of our students need. And the third strategy that we're starting is the teacher training program. Here, what we're doing is we have been providing teachers with those topics that you don't get anywhere else. Those things that you would like to learn, but you don't get the workshops. We have been designing customized workshops for them. We started with an intonation workshop for teachers to be able to remember things that they had learned at the university maybe 30 years ago and to update their practice. We're starting the design workshops. So it's going to be a series of different teacher training workshops for teachers to develop skills for life. It's not only for teaching better, but it's for designing didactic materials better, more effectively. Teachers are going to learn about the principles of design, principles of color, how to create their own color palettes. And apart from that, this is going to be the preparation of the 2 CANVA workshops that we're going to have in October. So if you're interested, let us know. We're going to be updating information all the time because our biggest concern is the lack of opportunities for teachers to learn new skills. That's why we're here. So this is very exciting for us and we're very happy to share it with teachers. What else can I say? Follow us, get our updates on Instagram or on Facebook. And if you want to join one of our strategies, we're here for you. That's why we work for you. So thank you so much. Welcome to My Magic Formula.